drink any coffee right now, we're gonna see it again.
In other words, you're too coffee for coffee.
Hashtag that.
Don't you think we're better together? Oh, I think we are.
Good morning, guys.
Why do I say that I'm ready for coffee? Peter's like, do you want some coffee? I'm like, yeah. And then I realize, if I drink any coffee right now, we're gonna see it again.
In other words, you're too coffee for coffee.
Hashtag that.
And guys, look. It's snowing outside. It's so magical. Look, it's snowing. I think it's stopping here pretty soon, but it's still magical.
I'm packing all the things I need for going to my grandparents' house, like an extra sweatshirt and my glucometer and whatever. And it reminds me of when I was little, packing to go to my grandmother's house. I'd always bring like an extra change of clothes just in case I sleep over. And it brings back good memories. Good memories. Grandparents' house, and we had a lot of fun. We hung out with some of the kids and just like sat around, and we were making up imaginary stories and just laughing, and it was fun because I don't get to see those kiddos like but once a year, and I think it has been 2 years, so it was just fun. And my blood sugar kept dropping when I was there, and I'd treat and it'd come up and then it'd drop again, so now it's dropped again, so I'm just gonna hook up to my J-tube and hope that that will help stabilize it. Isn't that the second dinner that everybody eats when they get home from family stuff? Cool. Do you have anything to say?
No.
Yeah, I smell donuts out there.
I really wanted crumpy tonight, and I was like, it's Saturday night.
What are you guys talking about?
The donut drop. Guys,
Is it at 7?
I think it drops at 7, yeah.
Yeah.
But Crumpy's Donuts, which is the sketchy donut shop that we always go to.
We love
us some sketchy donuts. Anyways, they're closed on Saturday nights, and it's really a bummer because I just walked outside and I smelled Dunkin' Donuts making donuts. But it made me want Crumpy's.
You're craving sugar too?
Yeah.
Is your Dexcom telling you you need Crumpy's donuts?
My Dexcom's telling me I need fried dough.
You have a fried dough com?
Yeah, fried dough cup.
Let's go spy on the Did you have an exhausting day? Did you have a nice day? Peter's making a video. When are you gonna make it go live?
It'll be live when.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, check the link. He just made a video, and I just saw the first like 10 seconds of it.
Today is, well, the day we're posting this vlog is the last day of 2017, and it's been a crazy year. And one of the things about daily vlogging is that we have lots of footage from this past year, and I was thinking, cool. We did this the first year we were vlogging, and we haven't done it since. Or I guess maybe we did it the second year too. This video is a recap of our year. Some of the high points and low points and everything in between. I think the family gathering wore this little puppy out. There were kids like stepping on him and crawling all over him today. It was quite cute and I'm sure exhausting. And
Well, the kids were playing, so a couple of the kids had flip phones that were not activated. They were just playing with them. And the game was that one of us would hide it somewhere in the house, and then they'd all start going to find it, and we'd give like your hot or cold. I don't know if that's just an American thing.
hot or cold game?
The hot or cold game where when you're getting closer to the thing that's hidden, you say you're getting hotter, hotter, hotter. Like at one point, one of the kids was like standing on the item, and I was like, "You're literally in a volcano right now!" But it was fun to like come up with games that were like germ free for me.
Yeah.
Like I was just like giving hot or cold clues, and
We sat around with the kids for a little bit and like played the game where we made up a story and each person said a different. They could only say like one sentence and add to the story and go to the next person, and got a little out of hand. But
in like a funny way.
yeah.
There was also a knock-knock joke that went something like this. This was told by about a 2.5-year-old. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana Rick. So tell us your best knock-knock joke in the comments, even if you have to make it up. We're okay with that. And
As always, we will see you tomorrow.
And don't forget to watch that video Peter just finished editing.
Yeah, it's a fun rewind of 2017.
Good night.
night.
Don't you think we're
And off.
After party time with the Ollie Boy. Good night, buddy.